Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Crystal. So today I will be showing you guys how to do a formal hairstyle on your natural hair. These are the things that you will need to achieve this hairstyle. Some of the things are optional, like the wax stick and the got2b spray and the spritz. And instead of the edge control, you guys can use the shine and jam. So let's get started. Alright guys, so to start off, I'm starting off with air dried hair. I used my Revlon blow dryer on cool. I honestly did this because I wanted that straight look, the formal look. You guys can honestly just do your natural hair and have your waves, but I wanted a different look for my hair. So to start off, I'm working into sections. I'm trying to define my part. I'm going for a deep side part, and then I'm going to put my edge control to define the part and clean it up. Now that I have my desired part, I'm working into sections. I'm putting the top up and I'm going to work on the back. So the same thing that I do with my regular low ponytails, I'm going to do it with this one. I'm going to use my edge control and I'm going to use my oil. I'm putting the oil, massaging my hair to promote the hair growth, brushing it down and molding it into my low ponytail. As I said before, you guys do not have to use the edge control. You guys can use the shine and jam, but the shine and jam just does not work for my hair. I've seen that the edge control works, so that's what I'm using. Now that I have the back molded, I'm going to show you guys what I am doing with the front. So my swoop section, I am working with it. I'm working in smaller sections. You guys will see me put the oil first, and then you guys will see me put the edge control on top, and then I'll just brush it into the swoop motion. Later on, you guys will see me take my comb and I will part my hair first and then comb my hair towards my face so that it can drop lower into my face. And then I'll repeat the same things with the edge control, the oil, to make sure that it lays flat. As I said before, some of these things are completely optional, like the got2b spray. I'm only using that when I get further up to the top. It honestly softens up the edge control and it allows my brush to smooth it out and make sure that each strand is laying flat. Alright, so as you guys see me getting closer to my part, I'm taking my comb and I'm brushing it further down, and then I'm taking my brush and I'm brushing with a swoop. Alright, so for this last part, you see me taking my comb and I'm making sure that my hair can swoop lower into my face. I'm making sure to cover that back part as well. For this part, I'm just trying to make sure that everything is seamless and straight and it looks the best because this is what everybody can see. This is the top of your head. So after I get that flat and I find my desired swoop, you guys will see me work on the opposite side. Alright guys, so now I'm on the last part of my hair. I'm going in with my oil, my edge control, and the got2b spray. You guys will see me swooping in a downward method to make sure that I have both looks on both sides. And then later on, you guys will see me attempt to lay my edges. I'm getting better for a beginner. If you guys think so as well, please comment down below. But as I said before, I'm just brushing everything down to make sure that the surface of my hair is smooth and it has that smooth surface. So when people see it, they could be like, yes, honey. So I'm going in with my wax stick and I'm just laying the flyaways down, and as I lay the flyaways down, when I wrap it with my silk scarf, it'll make sure everything is molding in together. So for this part, I'm going to work on my ponytail. You guys can leave your ponytail out, but for me, I'm trying to use this as a protective style, so I'm going to tuck my ends. I'm going to split my ponytail in half, and then I'm going to do a 2-strand twist, a loose 2-strand twist, and then later you guys will see me bun it up. You can also add braiding hair to this. You can add a ponytail to this. You guys can also spice up this by using hair jewelry. You guys can do a lot of things with this hairstyle. All right, so that's it. I'm going to go back in with my brush to make sure everything is laid down once again. And then you guys will see me get some bobby pins and pin some areas down that I think that needs to be laid down. Tie your hair down, and girl, you are done. Stay tuned for the 360 and the ending. All right, y'all, so that is my video. I'm going to brush this up on the sides, tie my hair down with this silk hair tie, let it lay, let it, mold into it and do what it do. But yes, please like, comment, share, subscribe, send this video off to your friends. Let them know that Mesha Curlz out here doing formal hairstyles with her natural hair. So as I said, like, share, subscribe, send this video off to your friends and let them know. I will see y'all later.